Hi everyone, I'm Devon Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for Charleston County Public Library, and this is Elliot, and we're going to be doing a really fun activity with food today. We're going to be turning these regular chocolate cupcakes into what?
Monkey Cupcakes.
Monkey Cupcakes, that's right. We went ahead and made our cupcakes. We just used a regular box of cake mix, chocolate cake mix, and chocolate icing. Easy, follow the directions on the box. But now, for the fun part, we're ready to decorate them. Okay, so what should we do first? Our eyes, our mouth, or our ears?
Our eyes.
Our eyes. Okay, so we're gonna use M&Ms for eyes. What color do you want your eyes to be? Pick two of the same color for your eyes.
Orange and orange.
Good job. I'll use yellow for my eyes. So put them upside down where eyes go, so the M is at the bottom, okay? That's good. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna use this to give.
I want to have that one.
We'll use that for our mouth, but for this we're gonna use for our pupils on our eyes. So we're
I
gonna do a black dot on each eye. You wanna help me?
Huh?
Whoa, okay, a little too much. Stop squeezing. Okay. All right, let's see, and I'll do some on mine.
But we don't want to get it in our mouth, because that's cake mix.
It's icing, it'll taste good, but we just want it to look neat.
Now I want to do that.
Okay, now we're gonna do our mouth, and this part I'm gonna do by myself, Elliot, because I gotta use a knife to cut. We've got vanilla wafers, and I'm just gonna cut the top fourth off. And we don't need that small piece. All right.
Can I have one taste of them?
Here, you can taste that, okay? And this part, the big part, we're going to use for our mouth. All right, you wanna put your mouth on?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you think it goes?
Right there. No, that's where I'm good.
Okay, sounds good. So now we're gonna do our mouth, right? So we gotta do our nostrils and our mouth. So I'm gonna do a mouth on mine. Smile.
That's a silly monkey.
Yeah, it is. Here, let me help you do yours.
I don't want to. Let me do it by myself.
All right, just squeeze it a little bit. Okay, look at that monkey mouth.
It looks like a kiss.
It does look like a kiss. And now we're gonna do two nostrils.
I'm making
Two.
an Elliot one.
Oh yeah, this is your very own. Now we're doing what? Just two dots. One dot, two dots. Good job.
Whoa.
Isn't that neat? Now we need our monkey ears. So I've got these Vienna wafer cream-filled cookies. You can also use, I saw the recipe, peanut butter cookies, but I like these better just to have to eat. So I got these instead. So we're gonna take these and cut them in half. Let's see, or it might be easier to break it. Let's see.
I'm gonna have my ears on.
Okay, and I'm actually, since this part broke off, I'm gonna cut a smaller piece for my ear. And look what oh, yours looks good. That's a good idea. I'm gonna put on the side here.
Look at mine.
That's cool. Look at that. Look at us. That's really neat. Should we do one more?
Oh, I can't put it on there.
Oh, that's okay. Here, just put it sort of, yeah, you almost got it. You got this one. I'll help you with this. Just put it a little more on top so it sticks to the icing. Should we do one more together?
What?
Should we do one more together?
No, all of them.
We'll do all of them, but I mean for our video. All right.
Let's do the little ones.
Those little ones might, let's stick with the big ones for now. We got some leftover mix and not enough cupcake tins, so we made tiny cupcakes too.
Can I do my, first I want to do my
What color eyes is yours gonna have this time?
when?
Red eyes? I'm gonna give mine blue eyes. Let's see. Okay, so two blue eyes with the M's facing down.
Blue and red make purple.
Do you think that's the best place for your eyes?
No.
Let's try it.
Look, I did it.
Beautiful. All right, now let's cut our mouth. I'm just cutting the top 1/4 off. Ah!
First I'm gonna do my mouth.
There's your mouth.
That looks like a grandpa.
A grandpa?
Uh-huh.
That's funny. All right, now I'm going to do a mouth on mine.
And I'm going to do a mouth on mine because I want to do it by myself.
Okay. Now remember, just squeeze it a little bit. Ooh, that's fun.
Now it looks like a green shell.
What does it look like?
A shell.
A shell?
My monkey's going to be the artist.
The artist?
Uh-huh.
Cool. All right, I'm doing 2 nostrils on mine. Remember, just 2 little dots for your nose. Good job. Now what do we need last? Oh, we got to do our pupils. 2 dots.
Let's do our ears. Mine needs ears.
Right, we need ears. That's the last step.
Mm-hmm. And then we will be the very artist.
The very artist. Yes.
Because I want to be the very artist and prove that I'm Elliot and prove that I'm the artist.
You are. You're Elliot the artist. We'll prove it.
I'll prove it.
All right, and these are kind of breaking a little bit, so that's fine. I'm just giving mine smaller ears. In fact, smaller ears might be easier. You want me to make your ears a little smaller?
No. Yeah, make them a little smaller.
I'll make them a little smaller, so they'll stick to your icing easier.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll stick them to your monkey. Now we've got a whole monkey family, right?
I don't have a monkey family.
But we do with all our monkeys combined.
But mine isn't. This one keeps falling in.
That's okay, it'll stick. Looks really cool. All right, so we'll keep decorating the rest of these off screen, but thanks for hanging out with us for our Monkey Cupcake video. See you later. You want to say bye?
Bye. Can I taste one?